Hello there, so this is my very simple high-speed photography setup using the strobe light that I'm working on. This light is currently generating a pulse of 1 microsecond long at a period of 1 millisecond because I'm trying to match it to the shutter speed of the high-speed camera that is found in the Galaxy S9 phone, which is able to shoot high-speed super slow motion video at 960 FPS. But the problem with just shooting at 960 FPS is that it's nearly impossible to catch things like a pellet from a pellet gun, for example, because a pellet from a pellet gun is going to travel 8 centimeters during that time. And if you have a continuous light as opposed to a strobing light, you're not even going to see the pellet. You're going to see possibly a trace of the pellet, but you're definitely not going to be able to see any detail of the pellet. I wanted to capture the detail of the pellet, so I wanted to photograph the pellet as it flies through the air and also get a decent quality of video when shooting at this super slow motion using this Galaxy S9 camera. And I was able to achieve that with this strobe light, so let's get started and see how it works. One of the issues that I had before when I did my last experiment, which you can also find in my video archive, is that I was assuming that the shutter speed of this camera is the same as the video frame rate. And when shooting normal video at 30 or 60 FPS, I was getting the lines, the artifacts, the moving bands of light and dark in the camera view, and that was actually because the shutter speed is not the same on the camera phone. It's the shutter can actually open at the shortest shutter speed on this camera is 1/10,000th of a second. So if you're shooting video at say 30 FPS, the camera is going to automatically adjust the shutter speed, and that's why I was getting the artifacts. At the 960 FPS, it seems to be pretty stable, so it's not actually adjusting the shutter speed, it's going at the fastest shutter speed, so I'm not getting those effects. And also, if I'm shooting normal video, I can't really use the default camera application that comes with this phone, because it doesn't allow me to adjust the shutter speed. But there are other camera applications in the App Store that allow you to adjust the shutter speed. So if you're going to shoot really sharp, crisp videos, then you can use a strobe light to do that.